Hey, Dana, and welcome to my garage. Well, it's that time. I change my oil every 3,000 miles on my Mustangs, and it's that time. So, looking her over. You saw my video on doing the dual exhaust on this. We're now at 3,000 miles since I did it. Let's see. Find out where that tingy noise is coming from. But it's sounding good. It's no hammering, but I don't know where that tingy noise is coming from. Sounds really good. You might have caught the video when I did the calipers, and then the next video on this when I did the struts, and that worked out really well. I'm not bouncing down the road no more. You probably caught the one where I did the yoke seal, and I don't know why it's still leaking. I don't know, not leaking too bad, but it's still just a seep every so many miles. She's looking good under here, other than I wish I could stop the rust. That's all I can do is paint it. Some primer on there, something to stop the rust. If you've got any suggestions, go ahead and leave a comment for me, and I'll try it. Go ahead and get the see any other leaks. This motor's been taken out, put in another stang, then taken back out, put back in here. You can catch those videos on it as well. I put the wheel spacers in the front the last time. They're working really good. I have no pull or anything like that, no vibration. So these are these rims are deep dish. They came off of an 010. The calipers I got off of a GT. So other than that, that's where I'm at. My brakes are working pretty good. There was somebody who made a comment on when I did my brakes. Appreciate positive feedback on that. And boy, if you have to change those cables, they are a bear. Let's see. That's about it for right now. I need to get you draining. As you can see, I have my this is considered a storage rack, and I don't have it all the way. I've got the last, almost, I got to the second to the last ring, but you can park another Mustang right underneath it for the winter. And speaking of the Mustangs, going to be getting the wife's 96 out, and oh yeah, and happy birthday to this one. It's not it's just turned 25, so she is officially a classic. And like I said, we're getting the 96 out finally after its engine change. We'll find out if the white smoke on that finally disappears, and if it doesn't, then we're going to go ahead and try one of those gasket sealing kits, liquids should I say, and we'll see if that takes care of that. If not, what I'm going to do is, with the old motor that came out of it, it definitely has a blown head gasket, replace that head gasket, and then we'll put that motor back in it, and we'll go from there. Alright, let's close this up. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you can comment, subscribe, definitely share. good, huh?